Hello everyone, and welcome to my new tutorial. Have you ever accidentally deleted an important message on Gmail and wondered how to restore it to your primary inbox? Don't worry, the solution is simple. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to move a message from the trash folder to primary on Gmail, quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, keep watching and learn how to regain control over your emails. So, the first thing you need to do is open your Gmail app. Once you're in Gmail, at the top left corner of the screen, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on them to open the Options menu, or simply swipe left to right. In the menu, find the trash folder and tap on it. When you open the trash folder, locate the message you want to move to primary. Tap and hold on the message to select it. Then, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. Tap on it. From the menu that appears, choose the Move to option. Now, in the pop-up window that appears, tap on the primary option. And that's it. Now, reopen the menu, go to the primary folder, and you'll see that the message you moved is now there. This way, you can easily organize your emails and return important messages to where they belong. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the SmartAssistant channel for more practical tips and tricks. I'll see you very soon in my next video, and thank you so much for watching.